Smasherlicious.
Welcome back, friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. Today we're cooking on the Blackstone. We're going to do a comparison. We're going to find out what's best, a regular burger, chopped cheese, or a smash burger. Seasoning salt called chicken salt. Good discovery I found on a recommendation. Thanks, Jack. Do black pepper. Of course, garlic powder. Seasoning side down. Time for the flip, and that happened quick. Cook a lot faster than a conventional grill. Cheese time. Shutting the hood for just a sec. Regular burger's done. Same exact seasoning mixture for our chopped cheese. Concept behind the chopped cheese is that it's going to get broken up to where it's all cooked on every little edge, not just like a burger patty. So you get the nicest texture possible. That's the whole idea. We go season side down. I've seen where people have it all broken up before they start. I think it makes more sense to start it almost like a hamburger patty before you initially break it up. More seasoning at that point. Time for smash burgers. Pre-seasoned, parboiled, gonna be smashed potatoes. Get it on. Got a little bit of Italian sausage meatball smash burger. Parm. GoPro. Boopity boppity. We've got our smashed potatoes here. Start with them. Over a little Parmesan. Oh yes. Reminiscent of a cheesy, crispy French fry. Amazing. Recommend that for sure. Let's take our traditional burger. We just put a little lettuce, tomato, red onion, ketchup, and mayo on it. Solid. The chopped cheese. The seasoning really comes through in every bite. It's like a grilled cheese with like this perfectly textured burger right away. I could say the traditional burger is not my favorite. And I've never done this before. So I love a traditional burger. If we're going purely flavor and being honest, chopped cheese so far. Let's go to our smash burger. Very similar to the chopped cheese. This gives me a little bit of a dilemma. I might give the slightest of edges to the flavor of the smash burger because you got those crispy edges, crispy patty, cheese, crispy patty, cheese, toasted bun. But the effort level and the execution you got to pull off versus anybody could do this. No effort, just chop it. And you achieve such a similar thing. I think the chopped cheese is a real find. Going by pure flavor, slight edge, slightest of edges, smash burger. But I'm telling you, try the chopped cheese. Easy to do, amazing. We got our Italian burger. Our hot Italian sausage meatball combo patty thrown in there as a smash burger. We'll give that a shot. Got to mention topped with some marinara. Just want to let you guys know a secret. If you want to have a burger contest, you can have a burger contest and decide A, B, or C, which is better. You make anything Italian, you can kind of get rid of the rest. For example, macaroni and cheese versus pizza. They're about the same nutritional value. You might as well throw macaroni and cheese out the window. You ask people what they want, they may not know, but at the end of the night, you're gonna have a bunch of macaroni and cheese left over, the pizza will be gone. I think that's what happened here. So this is a separate thing. It's kind of not fair. We'll just throw that out. Other than that, I would say the smash burger is the winner. Well, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching.